These are my Piri Piri chicken wrap pizzas and they are insanely good. They are perfect for iftar. They are so quick and easy. Start by marinating some thinly sliced chicken breast with all of the ingredients down in the recipe below. This recipe is perfect for those days where you are low on energy, can't be bothered but still want something really tasty. Once you give the chicken a good mix, let it marinate for at least an hour to overnight. Fry it in a really hot pan until it's just cooked. And I realized you guys actually don't know much about me. I get so many questions. Is she Muslim? Where is she from? So yes, I am Muslim. I converted in September 2022, just before my nikah. I wasn't very religious before and I was always drawn to the beauty of Islam, the peace, the kindness and everything about it. I am Malaysian, but I was born and raised in New Zealand, so that is where my accent is from. I am currently living in London and this is my second Ramadan. These pizzas only take 10 to 12 minutes in the oven. I don't know about you, but I love barbecue and mayo on my pizzas. You can pretty much switch up the toppings to anything you like. And once again, the full recipe is down below. These are seriously the easiest pizzas ever and I will be making them all throughout Ramadan. I hope you love this and Ramadan Mubarak everyone.